Good morning, sir. How are you?
In Valparaiso, heat pumps are becoming an increasingly popular way to heat and cool homes. As part of your HVAC system, a heat pump is installed outside, just like your air conditioner. It works by transferring heat instead of generating it. In warmer months, it removes the heat from inside your home, leaving you cooler and more comfortable. In colder months, a heat pump extracts heat from the outdoor air and brings it into your home for warmth all season long. Best of all, heat pumps are powered by electricity, making them a more sustainable solution you can feel good about all year round. Next time NIPSCO rates go through the roof, you'll be ready. Your variable speed heat pump automatically converts to using the most cost-effective energy. Contact Crown Wheele HVAC, Valparaiso's Bryant Dealer. Crown Wheele, keeping Valparaiso safe and comfortable since 1946.